What's up, guys? Welcome to this week's episode of HomeCraft Cocktails. Cocktails you can make from the comfort of your home. My name is Briss, and today we'll be going over the White Russian. The White Russian dates back to the 1960s, but it actually stems from the Black Russian, which was created by Gustav Tops, who was a bartender for Hotel Metropole in Brussels, Belgium. The Black Russian, created in the late 1940s, literally just consisted of vodka and Kahlua. All the White Russian does is add heavy cream on top of that. With the White Russian being created in the 1960s, it was still an obscure drink. You know, it wasn't really ordered a lot. It was fairly uncommon, and it was actually on a decline in popularity in the 80s and early to mid 90s. But once the cult classic movie The Big Lebowski came out in 1998, which references the drink multiple times throughout the movie.
So you're Lebowski.
Yeah.
Do you want a drink?
Yeah, sure. White Russian.
The bar's over there.
The drink just exploded in popularity. And it is a large part of the reason why the White Russian is such a common drink today. So now with that brief history lesson out of the way, let's get down to actually making the drink. So first, you want to start off with placing ice within your rocks glass. I like using a big ice cube myself, but obviously you can also use smaller ice cubes if you have those at home. After your ice, you then want to do 2 ounces of vodka. And I'm using a new Japanese jigger that I got for Valentine's Day from my girlfriend Sia. So thank you, Sia. I love you, babe. Now I can do all types of measurements from 1 to 2 ounces and everything in between. So after your vodka, you then want to do 1 ounce of Kahlua. And after your Kahlua, you then want to do 1 ounce of heavy cream. So the drink is, one of those perfect ratio, 2-1-1 ratio drinks. Another thing that I like about the White Russian is just how, let me move this out the way. The heavy cream just kind of like sits on top of the other ingredients, and it really just, has its own layer and has just a great aesthetic effect. I almost don't like stirring it up because it just looks so good as it is, but obviously, unfortunately, we have to stir it up to make sure, all the ingredients are incorporated with each other. So the best way to do that is actually stirring it together. So that's what the next step is. And there we have a White Russian. And now that we made our drink, let's give it a little taste. The White Russian is an A1 drink. The vodka definitely packs a punch, and then the heavy cream gives it a great consistency, and then the Kahlua, which is just a mixture of coffee, rum, and sugar, has a nice sweet taste, but just that coffee undertone. So I'll definitely recommend this drink if you are a coffee drinker, if you enjoy coffee. Or even if you don't, actually. I've made this drink for many of my friends, and I've yet to have a single one tell me they did not like this drink. They've all thoroughly enjoyed it. And I think whether you are a newer drinker or an experienced drinker, I think this is a cocktail that you can enjoy regardless of your experience with drinking cocktails. So I heavily recommend this drink to anybody. So thank you guys for joining me on this week's episode. I'll see you next week for the next round. Peace.